Hello and welcome to Diamond Fit Healthy Lifestyle. So here I am again coming back to you with a nice, good, healthy recipe. Today we're going to make salmon boats. So basically it's a zucchini that I've already carved out. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and season the zucchini. I am using my Sazon Total, just to give it some extra flavor. Okay, I'm going to use some garlic butter seasoning. And this is a really good seasoning I found at Sprouts. So for those that like that extra seasoning, this would be a good thing for you to try out. Just gonna lightly sprinkle it. I'm not going to be heavy with anything. A little bit of pepper. There we go. Now, a lot of people might stuff this with tuna, but I'm going to stuff it with salmon. So I've already put in there my green peppers, my red peppers, my onions. I've used all of my seasonings here. I have Sazon. I always cook with my Sazon. I have my garlic butter that I used. I used my Goya and I used my pepper. Okay, so I got a couple extra things out, but I didn't use those. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stuff the boats. We're going to overstuff them. So we got a lot of salmon in there. And that's my Sazon that you see, my Sazon packs. That's giving it the color. I rub the zucchini boats down with olive oil because I want them to get a little crispy. So that'll help with them getting crispy. I think this is a very good meal for someone who's just trying to eat healthy, but you're not quite ready for like the veggies that have like a softer texture, because sometimes texture is really big for people. So this will allow you to eat something very healthy without the carbs, and the texture, you know, won't be a soft texture or unrealistic type of texture, because these will stay pretty firm. The zucchini will. All right, so we got them stuffed. Now, I'm going to sprinkle them with some cheese. So I got some Monterey Jack cheese. Not going to use a lot. I love cheese, but I'm trying to cut back on the cheese. I haven't been cooking with it much. This is probably the longest that I've went without it. Just a little on each one. It's your Monterey. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese on there. Very sparingly. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the oven and we'll be right back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Diamond Fit Healthy Lifestyle. Okay, can't wait for it to come out the oven. Okay, so here we are. Here's our salmon boats. And I did not mention my potato apple home fries. So I have it's potatoes, it's apples, it's onions. I used some Parmesan seasoning and all the other seasonings that I had out, the Sazon. I used some of the Lowry's pepper. So here we are. So I figured they needed something to go with it. So let's go ahead and serve our plate. And put some potatoes on there. Potatoes and apples. Okay, so we had a good laugh about that because not too many people had that mix, but it's really good. It's like a sweet and salty type of mix together. All right, so let me try some of these potatoes. You know that I like to try out my food for you. Mmm, so good. All right, here we are. It took about 30 minutes, about 40 minutes, about a 40-minute meal, 15 minutes for preparation. Join us next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Diamond Fit Healthy Lifestyle. Have a good day.